Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy A70 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video in Samsung Galaxy A70 smartphone. First, you need to go to camera mode. Just click on camera. And here select slow motion option. And click record button. And record your video. While shooting the video, this will be like a normal video. I finish the video and play the video. See here, after few seconds it's like very slow. It's slow motion video, so it's slowly playing. In this way, you can easily record slow motion video in A70 smartphone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.